I think if, I wish the president wouldn't set deadlines because, in the first place, if everybody's sincere, you don't need a deadline. You're going to get it. But when you set a deadline, that gives some people an excuse. Well, we can't do it that soon, so they're, well, and I think if they're really in good faith, I'm talking about both parties, but primarily mine, getting something done, you don't need a timetable. But you're going to, as you said, Tom, there are a lot of things floating around out there. You got, how many, 5 bills?
5 bills, that's a lot to defend.
And they've got to be somehow like making sausage, put together. And they're not there yet. I mean, Baucus has got to go to the help committee and work it out, and they've got public auction in theirs.
They sure do.
So he's got a big job, but he's up to it. He's a good guy. But and Chris Dodd has taken Ted Kennedy's place, and he's a good guy, but it takes time. So is business about the same, or?
The economy in Kansas City and across the country is causing individuals within groups to drop their coverage, and as businesses close or shrink, there are more and more uninsured in the face of this economy. That's what we're seeing.
We have time for one more question. Anybody have another question?
But we get to ask one. You want to ask Dave a question?
Well, Senator, let me ask you this: who's the best reporter you think that's ever covered you or any questions?
Well, I had you down until the meeting started. No, it's good to be out here. It's. I think a lot of people are confused on health care. You can imagine the angst that somebody who lives alone, an elderly person, who turns on the TV and hears these things, you're going to lose your doctor, you're going to do this, you're going to do this. They don't sleep at night. And somebody's mother, I mean, it's, this is serious. And that's why I think that we have to do something. And there's going to be a signing ceremony. I guarantee you that. I don't know what's going to be under the sign, but maybe the Kansas City Star, I don't know.
Well, I'd like to thank the Senator on behalf of our community for all that you do around here. I know there are a group of World War II veterans at the World War II Memorial hoping that you would be here as we speak. And
My wife's covering for me.
She's covering for you. So many things you've done for us. We appreciate having you here and having your service over the years.